Welcome friends. Today I'm going to show you how to use molds for making terracotta jewelry. Here you can see a Lakshmi Ji pendant mold is here, and we can't directly put clay inside and just remove. First we are using coconut oil for greasing, and I'm taking a little drops, and we need to put each corners nicely greased with the oil. The purpose of putting coconut oil is so that when we are going to put our clay, it doesn't stick with the mold and it can come easily from the silicone mold. So now we are done with the greasing part. Now we need to take clay in your hand. So here is our clay, which should be soft. So now we are not going to put together like that, so it won't come nice. I'm just taking a small part, and you can see here I'm just pressing, taking little and also applying water side by side on, so that we can fill each portion with a small clay. Because you can see in this pendant there are very small detailing, so I want to cover whole pendant nicely. This is very thin layer, so I'm just putting another layer of clay. Make it very soft first. Just if any excess part you are feeling, you can just remove it. So now I have covered all the portion of my silicone mold. Now it's fully covered. Now what you have to do, just because it is silicone, so we can just mold it. So we need to just leave it here. Wow, here you can see a very small things came so perfectly. You can see this is Lakshmi Ji and peacock, both sides you can see, and the lotus, everything you can see very clearly. So this is how we can use our mold, by greasing and by applying little clay first, so that it can cover all the holes nicely. And after that we are going to put our pins wherever you want, here, anywhere, and then we need to just let it dry. So you can see it's not that much tough to use. The thing you should know, the tips and tricks before using our silicone molds. I hope you like the video. Keep liking and sharing, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubt or any question, you can just comment in a comment box. I will reply for sure. Thank you.